Alright, good morning. This is the Wolf Pup. I wanted to show you something about solar. So, if you're looking for the fuse for the solar panel, follow your lines underneath to the junction area, and there it is. So, this is your fuse. And it was blown. It's a 15 amp. It was blown, and all I had was a 4 amp, so I put a 4 amp in it. And what was interesting was the solar controller that's mounted up front here. That screen was blank when the fuse was blown. So, basically, even with just a 4 amp, it hasn't blown. So, obviously, you know, that's probably because we don't have a discharged battery and a lot of sun. Maybe it could get up to 15. But, I just wanted to let you know, if your solar controller is blank and not having that digital readout, you can go get your fuse, and it may be blown already, but just replacing it, it won't blow again. So it makes me think that somewhere along the line during the assembly process, they popped the fuses, and that was it. So it's nice to have solar, especially with a 12-volt fridge. Gonna need it.